G'day guys, how you going? I just wanted to show you a quick recipe that I like to cook. It's summer, so I'm going to get it on the barbecue. So let's go. Honey chicken soy dish, free range chicken breast. And before I start cooking it, I like to give it a wash in cold water. Just want to give it a nice little rub, open it up, and just cut it into some nice strips. Quick season, bit of sesame oil, probably just a bit of a teaspoon there, some soy, bit of honey, and the good old favourite, Savage Hombre. And a bit of the smoked mild paprika. About a teaspoon in this one, good little stir around, things moving. Just to celebrate the day, beautiful little creatures. Yep. Some honey soy chicken, bit of smoked paprika, and a beer. Can't get too much better than this. Well, we've got the chicken on the rest, and we'll make a nice salad. So first of all, we'll get bit of the red onion, only a quarter of an onion. It's fine, sort of strips like that. I'll probably use full tomato. I was brought up on the iceberg lettuce, so I continue to use iceberg lettuce. The dressing's really easy. A tablespoon of honey, about a teaspoon of Savage Hombre. I use apple cider vinegar. Salt to taste. Perfect. We'll give that a nice stir through. Nice. You press it and you see no red, you just see the clear juices come through. That's perfectly cooked chicken. So the only thing left now is to plate it up. Together they're perfect. Anyway guys, I'm gonna keep enjoying this meal. You have a lovely day. I hope this is a way I showed you how to use Savage Hombre. Perfect as a marinade on salads. You can use it on the barbecue, put it straight on the pan. Go for it. Alrighty, have a good day. Bye.